Homeless persons in St. Thomas now have a place to call their own and a guaranteed meal with the opening of an overnight shelter. Details in this report.
Overnight refuge and guaranteed meals for St. Thomas's homeless. The opening of a night shelter that local government minister Desmond McKenzie says will not only offer immediate relief, but also help with rehabilitation and reintegration of one of the island's most vulnerable groups.
Many of these persons who are in the infirmaries who come to our drop-in facilities, many of them made their contribution to the growth and the development of Jamaica. They used to pay taxes.
He says the new facility is part of a broader national initiative aimed at expanding access to shelter and care services across the island.
What we have here today is a part of a policy of the government where the poor and the destitute right across the country is given attention. And we don't just talk about the poor and the destitute. We back up the talk with our actions.
Stakeholders have welcomed the development.
This is a milestone, and I must really say, as a true social worker, both theoretically and practically, that this is one of my mantra, taking care of the less fortunate. This building will be of great importance.
The opening of the night shelter is a promise kept to our most vulnerable citizens. It is a modern and compassionate space made to offer safety and restore human dignity.
This shelter represents more than a building. It represents dignity, safety, and renewed hope for many individuals who have faced difficult circumstances.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.